Hey guys, welcome back. If you've been a longtime subscriber, thank you so much for the continued support. If you're a new viewer, I'm Dustin, and I'm going to give you a little bit of history of how we got to where we are today and what's in store for you next. Before, I want to thank our sponsors, longtime sponsors and supporters of glassblowing and me in general. Mountain Glass Arts, without a doubt, thank you so much. You guys have been extremely helpful to the community and to me, and thank you to HVO. You guys are awesome. Incredible impact on the industry. Normally we do a giveaway in a video, so in this video I'm going to give away a coin made for an online school class. It's for one of you guys. For this particular video, we'd love a bunch of questions. So anything that you're curious about, glassblowing, marketing, how to make something, production, in the comments, just ask a bunch of questions, because I'd love to do a video where I'm able just to answer your questions about glass or marketing or whatever. Thank you so much again for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a lot. Lets other people know about glassblowing. Revere Glass opened officially in 2006.
Most of my ideas come out of complete silence.
But to get to where I am today, I had to take a lot of risks. I had to succeed and I had to fail.
My work is a direct reflection of my personality.
Where the school is today is a culmination of all of that hard work. And I've taken everything that I've learned along the way and I put it together for glassblowers to learn online.
You have to love the process.
There's nothing else like it in the industry, and I'm really excited for you guys to check it out.
There's no substitution for hard work.
There's a really unique learning environment that focuses on community and learning together. There's a library of projects and videos that give you multiple angles of each project, online forum to communicate with students. It's been really exciting to watch the community grow and to see people from all around the world coming to learn. One of the most fulfilling aspects of my work is teaching and mentoring. I get so much fulfillment out of being there and teaching you guys and seeing you progress and seeing you interact with your peers and learning new things. I love to see you guys progress. I love to see the excitement, and it reminds me of how excited I was when I started blowing glass. Along my journey with glass, I was lucky enough to spend time with some really incredibly talented people. A few of the people who had the biggest impact on my life and my artistic career were my dad, who's a master goldsmith, and Maestro Gianni Toso, who I was lucky enough to be an apprentice with. Gianni Toso was critical in helping me think about glass from a non-technical standpoint, but reacting to the movement which you see in front of you. And I think that's one of the most valuable lessons that I can share with you guys. I find inspiration in nature. I find inspiration in the colors around me, in my friendships and travels, different cultures. Color in particular, super inspirational for me. Sometimes just finding silence and meditation can give you some inspiration. When you feel that creative flow open, it's like a faucet, and you just want to turn it all the way on and let that flow come out of you and keep going with your experimentation and your creativity. At the other end, you'll find yourself fulfilled with projects where you've learned about yourself and the medium along the way.
Most of my ideas come out of complete silence.
One of the things that's amazing about glassblowing is that it helps separate you from the system by giving you your own way to make money, and you can decide what you do with your time. Mastery is simply just the devotion to the craft. And I can tell you the secret to being a master right now. It's practice and devotion to the craft. The most important thing for you to get better at glassblowing is to sit in front of the torch, turn it on, and to be creative. Those orders are good to make and they put food on the table, but remember why you started blowing glass in the first place, is because you felt a connection to the medium. If you're working with glass and you think you've made a mistake, keep melting it, pull it, make a horn, change the shape a little bit. Sometimes the experiments turn into incredible works of art and even new techniques. I started blowing glass at the end of 1995, and in 2006 I opened up Revere Glass. That was only a few years after Operation Pipe Dreams, and the whole industry was very nervous about making pipes and teaching pipes in particular. So a lot of people moved to making sex toys for a period of time. But I felt like taking a risk, and I wanted to share with you guys what pipe making was all about. So I was the first place to offer classical master glass blowers, teaching at the same facility as master pipe makers, and even was part of the first collaborations between those two different types of glass blowing. From 2006 to 2008, Revere Glass was located on Gilman Street. I was lucky enough to invite some amazingly talented master glass blowers like Mattis Cookie, Robert Mickelson, Gianni Toso, Banjo. I focused a lot on bringing in master glass blowers who were classically trained and master pipe makers to the same stage. From 2008 to 2012, I was able to move my studio to an artistic space called the Sawtooth Building, and there I developed the pipe making program, more classically what I was teaching. From 2012 to 2017, I moved the studio to 8th Street in Berkeley, and there we had a beautifully made studio where I continued to host master glass blowers and develop the pipe making program even more, and that's where we started making the videos for you guys, of course, as well. In 2017, I decided that it was time for my next project, so I closed the doors of Revere Glass and turned it into a private studio for the next year until I built my own studio. And now that's where I'm teaching and filming today. Now with the online school, I can help you learn from anywhere in the world about glass blowing. I have students that I help design their curriculum, that I give advice on the equipment that they need to buy. With the new format, you can learn from anywhere in the world, and all you need is an internet connection. Every other week, I teach a live mentorship class, which is one of my favorite things that's part of the online school. I get to meet with a bunch of students. We go over that week's project live. I voice over what's going on with the video. We stop for any questions, and I get to help you more individually with your work. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to check out this video, see a little bit of the history that brought us to where we are today. I'm really excited to show you guys what I have in store for you for season 3. We have another short video or two in the interim, and I'll see you guys really soon. Make sure you comment on the video to win this coin. Please like, subscribe, turn on those notifications. I'll see you guys soon.